welcome back. Today we're going racing for the second time in 3 days. Apologies for the noise, but if you're a returning watcher or new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. I greatly appreciate it. Please subscribe if you have not already. Apologies for the bumpy camera work, but we're on the way to South Windsor because I'm going to be driving someone else's car at Stafford. If you haven't heard, a competitor there who is kind of part-time at the moment and renting his car out, Kyle Johnson, came up with a deal for me, and we put a package together to try to help each other out. And I want to help him out because he's a nice guy and he wants to help me out a little bit with some track time at Stafford, and kind of mutual agreement and deal came together, and so we're gonna go race at Stafford tonight, and I'm kind of excited. I usually don't drive other people's stuff, so we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna try to take care of it, but I'm also not gonna be a complete turd. I'm doing it to, you know, help them and myself out. Obviously, it's completely mutual. I like helping people, they like helping people. Hopefully we can drink some beers at the end of the night and have a good time, and we'll see how it goes. But I got another hour's worth of driving to go. Jesus, it is bumpy here. They're doing paving all over all the highways around me, so my apologies, but I'm on my way up to South Windsor, then to Stafford. So we're up here at Kyle's shop. This is the Chariot for this week, I suppose. I got Kyle doing work already. Say hi, Kyle. What's up?
Hello.
This is Kyle. What year did you start racing?
2020.
2020. Jeez, that's when I showed up at Stafford.
I know.
Man.
Not that long, but it goes by fast.
Oh yeah. So we're drilling some vent holes and some spindle caps, bearing caps, whatever you want to call them. So we got that going on, and I'm checking caster camber toe, and this thing got scaled last night, but we also got to put some lead in it because a little bit of driver size difference. So I'll throw you on time lapse and we get to work. Car's all loaded up. Hopefully we got everything done. Getting some cleanup done. It is humid. It is not very nice out. It's not even that hot. It's just humid. But you ready?
I'm ready. You ready?
I don't know. Well, we'll see what happens. I gotta get licensed up at Stafford and gotta go to get my license. Hopefully it's not too much. Maybe they have temporary ones. Probably not. But I'm prepared for either one, so got to do all that, and hopefully practice goes well. Maybe I'll have cameras rolling for that. Practice update. We're getting there. We're not really fast. I'm not going to say I'm really giving it 100% here. I'm really just kind of trying to make the car as stable and as safe as possible, and I think we're accomplishing that. But I got like no track time. I'm not really that comfortable in it, but we're gonna do our best, and I just don't want to screw anything up or get in the way or anything. I don't want to affect points or, you know, wreck anything. So I'll do my best and give it a shot, and hopefully we can at least run all the laps. That's all I'm really interested in. I just want to give the car back to Kyle and have it be an improvement. Heat race up soon. You got a rag?
Yeah.
I got a couple doo-doo drops on the windshield. Might as well just go over there.
Pretty much, yeah. If they call it, they'll make you turn around.
Yeah, you know. How the hell do you reach this thing?
What? Like that.
Am I out of gear? Nope.
Good luck, buddy.
All right, dude.
Like I told you, if it doesn't work for you, try that apron in 3 and 1 and 2.
Yeah, I'll try it.
All right, buddy.
I hope I got the right channel. I don't know. Oh, am I going? Race report. All right, we picked up 2 spots, 1 by default. It is what it is. Like I said, I'm trying to set the car up so that when he rents it out, it's nice and safe. And I'm trying to relearn the track too, and just battling comfort and practice issues. You know, just trying to get used to it again. And you know, if I was in my own car, obviously I'd probably have a little more speed because of the experience. And so we're doing that. Feature, I'm probably starting towards the back, but I don't care. I'm just here to have a good time and set it up and be safe. And feature video incoming.
weeks of this 20-lap feature. Here comes Travis Downey further back, looks to the inside of Trott, who has fallen back outside of the top 5. Downey to the inside. Oh, wow, Walker really out of shape.
He did. He gathered it back, though. Did a nice job of doing just that. Jason Lafayette is still in the 10th position. Brandon Warren is up to the 11th spot, and Ryan Perry is sitting in 12th.
Finkbein goes around off the front bumper of, it looked like, the 01. Tell you what, Brent Gleason doing a nice job.
Yes, he is.
Still just outside of the top 10 in 12th. His first start here in about 3 years, driving the 38 car here tonight for Kyle Johnson. Running mid-pack as we are within the final 2 laps. Flags are out, and Travis Haidar, the reigning and defending track champion, picks up his 2nd win of the street stock season. Does so convincingly, some 3.5 seconds over Ryan Waterman, who finished in 2nd in car number 31. Then it was Aaron Clemens, Travis Downey.
Sam Calvo is 11th, and Brent Gleason will finish in 12th.
Chris Danielchuk finished 13th.
Car's back at the shop. I think we finished, what? Where did we finish? 12th?
P12.
P12. All right. So it doesn't even have a scratch on it. I mean, I think some of the wrap blew off it, but that's all right. That's just how it works. But yeah, I think I don't even remember where we started. I think we started a spot or 2 back from where we were supposed to, but that's all right. We only got like 1 caution, and I think the windshield kept smashing my GoPro down. So I don't know if I'm going to have any GoPro footage from the feature, but I might borrow, quote unquote, some footage from Flow Racing and probably not get monetized, but it doesn't matter. I don't have 1,000 subscribers anyway. But thank you all so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. I thank this guy over here, Kyle Johnson, for the opportunity to help him out a little bit. He helped me out a lot because I relearned how to drive Stafford, and that was a lot of fun. The feature was great fun. He's really got to put some insulation in the back in the footwells of this car, because it is the warmest race car I've ever sat in my life. So again, if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And thank you all again for watching. Having 2 race videos in 1 week. Holy crap, I got a lot of editing to do. So I'm going to go hop in the truck and get a nice cold shower at home when I get home at 12 midnight or whenever the hell it's going to be. So thank you all again. I appreciate it.